Maiden Reserve. Nice and sunny, windy, and it was a really nice lake. As you can see, there. Established in 1964, the Lake Mead National Recreation Area (NRA) encompasses two reserves, Lake Mead Lake Mead began filling up in 1935. While Hoover Dam was under construction. It is the largest man-made reservoir in the United States and is approximately 112 miles long with 247 square miles of surface area and a depth of approximately 500 feet. When at all full, the white ring encircling the reservoir is result of mineral deposits that accumulated while the rock walls were beneath the water. The reservoir ring is result of lowering water levels due to droughts from full pool to where this photo was taken in 2016. And it's over there. And now we're on the way to Hoover Dam. See over there. It's a big rock mountain. There is another rock formation. Now we're on our way to Hoover Dam. It's gonna be so awesome.
Diversion tunnels, 4 diversion tunnels, 2 each within the walls of the canyon, 2 on the Arizona side, 2 diversion tunnels on the Nevada side. Each diversion tunnel is, for example, 4,000 feet long, 56 feet in diameter, and it's lined with 3 feet of concrete, reducing the diameter down to 50 feet in diameter. So now you may be wondering, where are you located? Well, you are right here. You are here in one of the original diversion tunnels off the northwest corner of the dam, and we came down the construction, added 3 miles of diversion tunnels. And it took them 19 months to complete. Once that task was accomplished, then they created cofferdams, an upper cofferdam and a lower cofferdam. Cofferdams are made of concrete, rock, or steel. The upper cofferdam is 100 feet high, 750 feet long, just as long as the base of the dam, which is 660 feet. The upper cofferdam was put in place to divert the water into the diversion tunnels, sending the water downstream, bypassing the construction site. Lower cofferdam, 65 feet high, 550 feet long. It was put in place to prevent the water from flowing back onto the construction site. Now that the 1 mile long site is secured from the flow of the Colorado River, the construction began in June 1933. The workers dug down 135 feet deep. Okay, here it is. This is Hoover Dam's power plant. 17 generators make up the power plant. There are 8 generators in front of you, 9 identical generators, which is in the Arizona wing across the Colorado River. Each generator is capable of producing 130 megawatts of power. All 17 generators running simultaneously will produce over 2,080 megawatts, and that is enough electricity to support over 1 million homes and businesses. So let's take a look at the 70-foot generators from the top down. Starting from the top, you see the alphanumeric symbols, N1, N2, all the way down to N8. That is for the identification of the generators. Nevada 1, Nevada 2, down to Nevada 8. The lights are on, electricity is being produced. The lights are off, no electricity is being produced at this particular time. So let's take a closer look at the generators, and I will explain to you how the electricity is produced. So starting with the first generator, above the platform, you see a small window. Within that small window, you see a silver shaft. That's the core. That shaft is 38 inches in diameter, 65 feet long, similar to this shaft right here that you see at the base of the balcony. And what is it that you see here? Well, this is an actual rotor. This rotor is being reassembled, and once completed, it will return to its normal location. Look down the line, Nevada 1, Nevada 2. You don't see Nevada 3 because it's right here. Okay, so once this job is completed, it will return into its normal location. So back to Nevada 1. At the base of that shaft, and all the shafts are Francis turbines. The Francis turbines are 35 feet below the power plant floor. The water hits the turbines at about 48 miles an hour. The turbines will spin, the shaft will spin. On the top of the shaft, in that red case, is the rotor. Attached to the rotor, there are 40 electromagnets. Each magnet weighs 4 tons. So as the rotor spins in a stator, passing 5 miles of copper wiring at 180 RPMs, it produces 16,500 volts of electricity. Another generator that we have here in the power plant is called the Pelton water wheel. Look down to the power plant floor. That brown generator, that is a Pelton water wheel. It produces 2.4 megawatts of power. This station service generator, and another one just like it, which is in the Arizona wing, provides all of the electricity for the internal needs for the power plant and the dam, providing electricity for the parking structure, the visitor center, the elevators, the lights, and the bridge crane. Look forward. The American flag is attached to a hauling and harness rigger bridge crane. Hauling and harness rigger bridge crane. And there are 2. The bridge cranes travels back and forth, up and down the wing on rail tracks. The lifting capacity for each bridge crane, up to 300 tons. When the time arrived to lift the 560-ton rotor, the 2 bridge cranes will come together to lift that rotor. It took the workers 25 years to install all 17 generators. 25 years, beginning in 1936 with Nevada 2. Nevada 2 was the first of 4 generators installed in 1936. Last generator installed 1961, Nevada 8. During that 25-year span, that included the Arizona side. Some parts are original, some parts are not original. The manufacturers of the generators, Westinghouse, General Electric, Alice Chalmers, and IP Morris. 56% of this electricity goes to Southern California, 19% to Arizona, 25% to Southern Nevada, 4% to Las Vegas. The floor that you're standing on, the flooring down below, this is the original flooring from 1936, 1937. And it's made of terrazzo marble, 3.5 inches thick of terrazzo marble. And it runs 121,000 square feet throughout the power plant and the dam. It was installed by the Martina family, and the cost, about $59,000. Great Depression, $59,000. The artwork that you see there on the balcony floor, the artwork here to my left, what we have here is Southwestern art, deco, designs, created by Alan Thelma-True, 1936, 1937. The theme is the power plant and the generators. For example, the artwork to my left depicts power, and it looks like an electrical outlet. The artwork in the center of the balcony depicts water flowing through the generators. And there are other works of art similar to these that's laced throughout the power plant and the dam. Dam is the key word. Let me bring your attention to this wall right here, which is to my right, your left, or behind you. Now, this wall that you're looking at is not the dam. This is the wall of the power plant. However, the dam begins immediately on the other side of this wall. Also, 450 feet beyond this wall is the reservoir, which is like the last point of interest. Now, I will point out to you the thickness of the base of the dam. The thickness of the base. Watch this. This wall to that wall, 650 feet. Add 10 feet to that 650, that's 660. The thickness of the base of Hoover Dam is 660 feet long, over 201 meters, the length of 2 American football fields. Okay? There you go. That's it. So now follow me back to the other.
You wanted to come to observation deck, then you don't want to do it.
Behind the dam, you can
You
see
know how thick is it at the
the
base?
largest man-made
As
reservoir
high
in the
as it
United
is.
States.
Thick base.
It has a storage capacity of 9.2 trillion gallons of water. Enough water to flood the state of Connecticut 10 feet deep. The body of water in front of the dam is called the tail bay, or tail race, but in reality that's the Colorado River. This is where the water is drawn from hundreds of feet below the surface of the lake and spills through the turbine. This is where the water is drawn from hundreds of feet below the surface of the lake and spills through the turbines, flowing on downstream.
You know what that white thing is?
that's Arizona side.